I'm very interested in AI and how that's going to play a role going forward. Now that it's, ChatGPT has kind of laid out the groundwork for, hey, this actually works, and there's ways to use it. So that's going to be the challenge, the question, I guess, over the next however long is going to be, how are you using AI? What can you use AI for? Because I'm kind of an old school Excel person. I still use Excel all the time, and I think it's still a valuable tool. But as I'm looking at AI and all the different ways that it can kind of speed up some of the processes that we have, that's generally what I'm looking at right now, is how can we, in our industry, we're either going to go from like 80s, 90s technology to 2020 all at once, or we're going to have to do it, gradually. And I'm trying to use a lot of the technology that we have right now just to improve our, whether it's Salesforce or things like that, just to improve our visibility and use our, improve time to market and all that stuff. So,
take advantage of it, right? There's so many tools, but you can also drown in too many tools. You need to make sure that there is you have the integration, and then you need to make sure that everybody in your team or your organization are using it properly.
That is
always the weakest link.
Great point. That is a great point. You can become really bogged down with the technology, So. Yeah.
And you always have to clean up data. I don't think there will be a point where you're like, oh, we caught up.
That's what I'm finding is there's a lot of data out there, and that's probably one of the biggest changes that's happened since I started.
If you like Leadership in Manufacturing podcast, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Leadership in Manufacturing on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Make sure to check our website. It's called leadershipinmanufacturing.com. Stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.